How to use food stamps on DoorDash. Follow these instructions. Open DoorDash app or website, log into your account, and go to the Payment section from your Profile or Settings tab. Tap Add Program Card, enter your SNAP EBT card details, and save it as a payment option for eligible grocery items. Go to the Grocery or Convenience section, apply the SNAP Eligible filter, and select a participating SNAP store. Browse the store and add SNAP-approved items like fruits, veggies, dairy, and grains, no hot food, alcohol, or non-food. At checkout, tap Apply SNAP and choose how much of your SNAP balance you want to use for the eligible grocery items. Add a backup payment method like debit or credit card to pay for delivery, tips, service fees, and non-SNAP items. Review your order, confirm SNAP and card payment splits, then place your order and track your delivery in real time. Thank you for watching.